More than 200,000 college athletes nationwide are hurt each year during practice sessions or competitions, with injuries that range from minor sprains to traumatic brain injuries to death. Now, Fort Lewis College hopes to reduce the number of injuries among its student athletes as a result of a new formal partnership with Mercy Sports Medicine. You're watching the Local News Network. I'm Wendy Graham-Settle. Although Mercy orthopedic surgeons have provided medical care on the Skyhawks sidelines for 16 years, the college recently announced that Mercy Sports Medicine will be the official sports provider for college athletes. The partnership began on November 1st. Mercy will provide students with integrated care, including access to orthopedics, primary care, physical therapists, athletic trainers, and sports nutritionists. Orthopedic surgeon Matthew Smith will provide medical leadership over Mercy's sports medicine team. The new medical model of care is expected to improve earlier identification and treatment of injuries to speed recovery. The team of sports medicine experts also will assess athletes to identify physical weaknesses that may contribute to injury and will develop personalized programs to strengthen athletes to reduce the potential for injury.
The integration of Mercy with Fort Lewis College opens up a whole lot of avenues for us to prevent injuries. We can screen some of the athletes at the college level, and that'll also translate into our local high school athletes as well as our non-school athletes, so that we're not just managing the downstream side effects of injury, but potentially preventing injuries from happening in the first place.
The new partnership also brings to Fort Lewis athletes a team of sports medicine professionals that Fort Lewis would be unable to afford on its own.
The ability of having all these professionals, so physical therapy, athletic trainer, and a surgeon all working together allows us to sort of get together and from all of our perspectives, what do we see? And then we can put together what do we need to work on. So our risk assessment is ACL, for example. We can analyze a couple of movement patterns, so how people land when they jump down, how they hop on a single leg, how they squat. And so we have a technology that basically runs them through and says, here's your data points, this is your risk profile. And then that comes with a sort of evidence-based approach to a 6-week program, and we can address some of those strength or movement patterns that cause higher injury risk and hopefully reduce the chances of ACL injuries specifically.
In addition to the new medical partnership, Fort Lewis College recently remodeled and expanded its athletic training facilities to better serve its student athletes. New athletic director Brandon Leinbach says he wants student athletes to feel comfortable and confident about their care and training so they can enjoy their athletic careers at Fort Lewis.
It's really an integrated model where, the student athletes, they get more than just, we're really about the whole person. So a lot of times, we think it's just the physical, the preventative, the physical therapy side, but we're partnered with Mercy, it's a really integrated approach where we know we have the physical therapist. We have Matthew Smith, who's one of the best orthopedic surgeons in the state. We can go up to Centennial and we can get physical therapy with their team. And obviously with our student athletes in today's day and age, it's much more than just the physical. We like that emotional and mental health well-being, and we feel like we really get that with the partnership with Mercy Sports Medicine.
If you'd like to know more about the athletic training program and partnership with Mercy, visit fortlewis.edu or goskyhawks.com. Thanks for watching the Local News Network. You can find this and other local news stories online, where you can sign up for daily stories delivered to your inbox. You can also catch us on Durango Cable Channel 15 or on our digital network at various locations around town. I'm Wendy Graham-Settle.